Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver on Snapchat. So to turn on data saver on Snapchat, open the app, go to your profile. Now click on settings. Scroll down to privacy control section and click on data saver. Here you will see an option to turn on data saver. It says reduce Snapchat mobile data usage. You will need to manually load content like lenses and snaps, and they may take longer to view. So turn this on. Click on until I turn off. From now on, this will minimize your data usage in Snapchat. So that's how you turn on data saver on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.